Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading. Has come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live. And don't do this. Don't do it. Stop it right now. We're going to be talking about that. And it looks like we could have a huge Bitcoin breakout in about 2 to 3 weeks, and also surprisingly, we're forecasting we could even see as high as a 50x Dogecoin coming in pretty soon, guys. So let's jump into it. Let's dive into it, guys. And I know a lot of you are like what's been going on with crypto since March when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. We've really just been seeing basically crypto has been going sideways, okay? And a lot of you that are new in the crypto space are probably like getting disappointed, getting like, what's going on? This is very normal. Now, those of us that have lived through a couple of cycles, we know that this whole consolidation sideways action is pretty normal. Now, the key takeaway here is accumulation is good, sideways accumulation is good, because we're seeing less volatility. Right? We're not going bang, 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 and people getting wiped out. So yeah, if you're leverage trading, it's boring as watching paint dry, but you shouldn't leverage trade. So we're gonna be jumping into a lot of what's going on out there, guys. So don't forget to go and smash the likes. Do it right now. Don't forget to subscribe, YB, and yeah, and you know, it only takes a second to do both of those things, like subscribe, smash likes. I appreciate it. Remember, all this is financial advice. Go back and watch all the other videos. So let's jump into the sentiment. So still, Bitcoin sentiment is very positive. The sentiment is overly positive. And remember, you know, Bitcoin does the same thing. And my strategy has been very simple. Dollar cost average, DCA, HODL. That's it. Take profits when you're up 100%. Okay, that's it. They're very simple. And you know, one of the reasons that we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin's going up is very simple. There's simple facts. There's a limited supply of Bitcoin, and the demand for Bitcoin is getting higher and higher. I'm going to show you that too. So basic economics, right? When you have high demand, limited supply, what happens to the price? It freaking goes up, okay? So it's inevitable. So for some of you who are not patient, you want it like today. You want your candy today, like infants out there. So you've got to be patient. You've got to be patient. What's going on? If you take a look at the crypto right now, overall, it's kind of just one of those range-bound days. Nothing's really happening. We're seeing some stuff up 1%. We're seeing other stuff down 1%. So it's just kind of like very, in a tight range, I mean, who doesn't like tight ranges, right? You know what I mean? Tight ranges. So yeah, overall, we're not seeing much of anything. We're seeing most of the meme coins are down out there. We're seeing not. Okay, so guys, don't do this. Stop doing this. Stop panicking yourself. Stop panicking yourself out of the market because you feel that nothing's going to happen. Something is happening. We're seeing a tight accumulation. We're seeing something really interesting happening. We're seeing a very tight accumulation, and we've just been really accumulating since March, guys. We've just been kind of like going sideways since March. That's what's going on. Very tight range, and that is good, guys. If we take a look at the range that we're, the top was here and the bottom is around about here, we're seeing, a very tight range happening. And recently, as of recent, the range high to range low here, you can see where we have been at the top here to the bottom here. It's only around about 7%. So we're kind of ranging in this 7% zone. So that's what's going on. If we take a look at what's going on with Ethereum, pretty much the same thing, range bound. Dogecoin, range bound. Now we're hitting this support structure here right now for Doge on the daily. Now, as we hit this point of confluence here, we're either going to break up or break down. Now, keep in mind that Doge has been pretty much also range bound between 15 and 17. That's where Doge is going to be. That's where we're going to play. Also, pretty much the same thing for Shiba Inu. Pretty much range bound between this kind of level here at 27, and we're seeing kind of right now around about 23 or 24. That's where we are. We're just basically range bound. Particular crypto markets right now, We're seeing mixed bag, right? We're seeing Dogecoin on the break, Dogecoin 111, Dogecoin 111. Guys, smash the like, subscribe. Why be subscribe right now? We're seeing pretty much range bound stuff happening. Solana is down 1%. XRP is down. Hey, Brad Garlinghouse, he's a bit of a chump, right? Because Brad kind of went out and said, Brad kind of said out that basically Dogecoin is poo-poo shmata, it's got no utility, it doesn't do anything, la 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 la. And he's talking about, and he kind of went on and said that, hey, a crypto needs to have utility, blah blah blah. Well, XRP, the only utility there, it's a transactional currency. Bank's going to use it. Yeah, come on. I think Dogecoin, even though it started a joke with Palmer and Marcus out there back way when, Dogecoin has evolved from being just this friendly community meme coin. And I believe the utility of Dogecoin is the ability for Dogecoin to have lightning fast transactions and super cheap. It's much cheaper to use Doge than it is XRP. So Brad Garlinghouse, you can eat my socks, brother, because if I'm buying a coffee, I'd rather be using Dogecoin at a convenience store than I would Bitcoin or XRP. So you can just put that in your pipe and smoke it up the wazoo, brother. So don't be dissing on the Doge. Doge does have utility. Look how many retail shops are using Doge right now. So I don't see many shops saying we accept XRP. Blow me, Brad Garlinghouse, you mother beeper out there, blow me. We're seeing right now that Doge is, just at 16 cents. We're seeing the volumes are picking up as we get into Monday out there. Keep in mind, 82% of all the Dogecoins are in the money. So stop whinging, stop whining. So Dogecoin price prediction for June. I think pretty much we are going to be range bound. I think we're going to be pretty much range bound between 16, 17 cents. I mean, this is kind of where we're stuck right now, right? 1550 and 1650. That's kind of like where we're stuck with Dogecoin right now. So that's it. From the midterm point of view, the picture is quite similar. Bullish trend reversal might only be possible if the bulls fix it above 17 cents. I've been telling you that. So 17 cents is a key freaking area for Dogecoin that we need to get past, right? And that is right where my 17 cents. So this is right here is key. Let me get my Puna out of the way. Draw a horizontal line. Okay, drawing that horizontal line. So that is kind of like key right there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Let's make that the purple. So that is kind of the key area. And yeah, that's it. We're not going to see any reversals till we hit that area. That's what's going on, guys. Dogecoin price could outperform Bitcoin. Yes, possible, but we need some catalysts, right? So Dogecoin critical support levels highlighted on by on-chain data occurs near the key SMA 50, and that's around 1550, right? 1550, 1540 is a key support levels, and right now we're bringing pretty much range bound. But there is significant Dogecoin addresses hold around about 13.53 billion Dogecoin according to block data. Dogecoins were bought in the range of 15.4 and 16.73, and that's kind of like where we are right now, range bound. Okay, so that's kind of where we are, and if we want to have additional 13.53 million addresses in the money, we need to get to 17 cents. So that is critical. These are the critical levels. This is kind of one of the areas that are holding us back right now. So, but keep in mind that the majority of Dogecoin holders, 67%, have been holding for more than 1 year. Okay, so just put that in your brain pan. Let that sink in, guys. Sink in. Fear and greed wise, Dogecoin is still looking pretty good, looking pretty greedy. And guys, Dogecoin go up 50x a cycle when we hit the top. Repost. So yeah, you see these cycles, right? Cycles here we had 92x back in 2017 to 18. 2021 we had 300x and we hit all-time highs. So diminishing returns, I think 50x is possible. Could that be $7? Maybe, don't know, but definitely $1, guys. Also, people have been panicking. Someone just withdrew 16,000 from Binance worth more than 1 billion. Many people sold in a panic, and whales again started to buy the dip, right? So yeah, when retail people panic, the whales are laughing and buying your sats, guys. So stop being a weak Nancy, guys. yeah, don't do it. Don't panic yourself out. Also, too, remember, retail FOMO hasn't started yet. We are still early to the next bull run market. So basically, the price right now for Bitcoin is being pushed by institutions and Bitcoin spot ETFs. That's what's going on. According to history, this is from Crypto Rover, the next big Bitcoin move will happen in 2 to 3 weeks. So let's hope that Crypto Rover is right and we have a big move in 2 to 3 weeks. That'll take us to around about the end of June, right? So yeah, let's hopefully we see that move. And guys, get your crypto off exchanges, get it onto NANO Leger. Go down, check out my link. I do get a bit of commish, but it doesn't cost you more. Help support the channel, guys. And don't forget, subscribe, YB, like never before. I appreciate it. And guys, did you know that the Bitcoin is growing faster than the internet? Look, Bitcoin adoption is in the dark gray, and we are growing faster than the internet, guys. So if this continues, wow, the price of Bitcoin is going to pump like crazy. And look, it's confirmed. We had this head and shoulders on the 3-week chart right now, and has confirmed a massive 6.5-year head and shoulder after 12 weeks of retest of the neckline here. Okay, we are ready for a dramatic pump, guys. So we could see something big happening for Bitcoin pretty soon, guys. So buckle up. That's about all I got, guys. I want to say God bless. Have a fantastic day. Go follow me on whatever that platform is, X, Twitter. Who knows? Follow me. I appreciate it. Be blessed. Be well. Peace out.